the most part, you can expect the successor to the two-door version of the C-Class and E-Class to look like this. As for the actual model rendered out by the pips at Kawasaki, it is the CLE 53, which will sit under the rank topping 63 model. Otherwise expected to share its powertrain with the 2023 C63 SE Performance. The electrified assembly, whose battery can be charged up on the go by the internal combustion engine or by plugging it in, combines a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder unit with a rail-mounted electric motor. The total output and torque are rated at 680 PS, 670 horsepower or 500 kilowatts, and 1020 Nm, 752 lb-ft. Mercedes-AMG says that it needs 3.4 seconds to hit 100 kWh, 62 mPh from rest, topping out at 280 kWh, 174 mPh in the Sedan, and 270 kWh, 168 mPh in the Estates.